Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Today we are going to start geometry. In geometry, triangles. So now definition of triangle you have to know. Triangle, a polygon. What is triangle? It is a polygon. It's a polygon with three sides or closed sides. Three closed sides. Three closed sides. Figure is called triangle. Okay, a polygon with three closed side figure is called triangle. So it is a triangle closed with three sides A, B, C. Or you can write P, Q, R, closed figures like this: X, Y, Z. Okay, this type of figures which are closed have three sides: 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Like that, three side closed figure is called triangle. Now, perimeter of the triangle. Perimeter of a triangle is what? All sides of triangle. Suppose we are taking example triangle ABC, this triangle. So all sides sum is called perimeter. All sides sum is called perimeter. Side of this triangle, so this is your triangle ABC. Side 1 is AB, or we can put bar also. BC, side CA. So this is second, this is third side. Sum of all sides is what? AB plus BC plus CA. This is called perimeter. So we write perimeter of triangle equal to AB plus BC plus CA. So this is called perimeter. Now this is second point, this is first point. Over. Now we are an angle of triangle. Next point, angle of triangle ABC. Suppose we are taking again this triangle ABC. A triangle has three sides and three angles. So three sides is over. Now three angles: angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, or the angle 1, 2, 3. We can write ABC or like this. We have to move left to right or right to left. So ABC. So triangle have three angles. A triangle have three angles. Angles are represented like this. First L type is there, angle A 1. Second, angle B. Third, angle C. Okay. Or another way is there. You have to write, this is first type, representation of angle first way. Second type, we have to write letters, all letters of this. which is ABC. Here B is center angle. This is equal to what? Angle B. Why? Because center number is what? B is there. So that means B is angle. Another way is there, BCA. So we are talking about angle C. Similarly, if BAC is there, so middle angle is there. So like that, 3 letters we can use for represent a angle, or single letter by that ABC, or we have to write ABC, center angle is there. BCA means this angle, C center is there. BA or CAB, center is A, that is why it is A. So like that we can represent. Another way is also there to represent angles. That is what ABC is there. If I put cap, this is called cap. This sign is called cap. Okay. If you put a cap on a letter, so that angle here, this means angle A. If I am writing like this, it is angle B. Why? Because cap is on B. If I write like this, cap is on C. So this is our representation of angles. So triangle have that. Now if we are talking about triangles, so this is a property. Sum of angles of triangle. Okay, angles of triangle means 3 angles, that is angles of triangle is equal to 180. Explanation of it, that is what? Suppose it is A and this one is B, this one is C. If angle A plus angle B plus angle C is what? It should be 180, equal to 180. Sum of angles of triangle equal to 180. So any triangle, if you take like that, whether it looking like small one or big one, so but the sum is always XYZ is there. So again angle X plus angle Y plus angle Z is 180 degrees. Even though if you are taking right angle triangle also, PQR, whatever is there, angle P plus angle Q plus angle R equal to 180 degrees. So that means this is there. If sides are there, some conditions is there for sides. What is that? First one is sum of any two sides of triangle is greater than third or remaining side. That means what? Suppose this is your triangle. A, B, C are the vertices. So if you are taking sum of any two, AB plus BC, AB, BC. So if you take these two sum, it should be greater than CA. Okay. If you are taking other two, this and this, BC plus CA, it should be BC plus CA, then it should be greater than AB. Or otherwise, if you are taking this and this, CA plus AB, that should be greater than CA plus AB. So other than these two, this BC, it should be greater than BC. This is the condition for sides of triangle. If you take difference, then second point. This is your first, this is second. What is that? Difference of any two sides of a triangle is lesser than or less than. You can say lesser or less than third side or remaining side. Again, three conditions you have here. What is that? First condition, difference means if you are subtracting AB minus BC, it should be, the difference should be less than other side, AB, BC, so less than CA. If you are writing difference of this and this, BC minus CA, the answer should be less than AB, or otherwise the last CAAB, difference of CA minus AB, this answer should be less than BC. So, these are the 6 conditions for a triangle. Some should be, angle should be 180 and some should be greater than other, difference should be less than other. If any of this condition fails or this fails, so they will not form a triangle. If angle is greater than or less than, they will not form a triangle, not closed figure, 3-side figure. If this is there, again these are not closed 3-side figure, remember that. Again, related with triangle. Related with triangles. What related? Interior of a triangle means interior of triangles. Another one, exterior of triangle. Third one, point lies on triangle. Points lies on triangle. These are 3 related things with triangle. What is there? Suppose a triangle is there. If I take point here P, Q, R, or this part, or you can say all this part, interior part, shaded part, this is called interior of triangle. Interior of triangle. It is a PQR, so interior of PQR, triangle PQR. If it is ABC, so all these points and this space, inside space is called interior of triangle ABC. So, first is interior over, okay, this is called interior. If we are taking, so this is our plane, in a triangle is there, PQR suppose. So, this outside shaded region, this is called exterior of a triangle, exterior of a triangle, the outside part. Suppose here we are writing A, B, this is interior, I am writing here Q, S, T, R. So, S, T, R are called exterior of triangle. Exterior of triangle is over. Interior, exterior, now this is exterior. Now, point lies on triangle. Lies on triangle means this is a triangle, A, B, C. What it says? If you are taking any point on this one, P, Q, R, S, T, X, all these points, those who are lies on lines, points lies on side of a triangle is called lies on triangle, lies on triangle. Okay, these are lies on triangle. Now simple, see, this is a plane. So a triangle divides a plane in three parts. Remember this. A triangle divides a plane. This is a plane. It is a plane in which I am drawing a triangle. So this is A, B, C. So one part interior, this is there, and exterior part, this is there. Those are lies. So a plane, a triangle divides a plane in two parts, three parts. What is there? Interior, exterior, and lies. So these are the three parts: exterior, interior, and lies, on lies. So a triangle divides a plane in three parts. Very important point, you have to remember this. Now classification of triangles. Okay, classification of triangles. This sign is read as triangles. Okay, or you can write triangle also. Triangles. So classification of triangles. This is classification of triangles. What are there first? Equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. What is that? A triangle whose sides, according to sides we have to judge. A triangle whose all sides are equal is called equilateral triangle. Okay, equilateral triangle. That means a triangle has all sides are equal. Suppose A, B, C is there. This side equal to this side. These two are equal. Again I put like this. So these three are equal. So this shows that it is 1, it is 1, it is 1, it is 5, it is 5, it is 5. Like that all sides are equal. Here this condition AB equal to AB equal to BC and this equal to CA. When this condition is there, so this is called equilateral triangle. Okay. Now second, isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. What is isosceles triangle? A triangle whose any two sides are equal. Any two, not all three, any two are equal, then it is called isosceles triangle. Okay, what is that? Suppose this is your triangle. We are taking now PQR, suppose PQR. Here any two is equal, that means three conditions are possible for this. PQ equal to QR, but other is not equal, or otherwise second condition, these are this equal or this and this also equal. QR equal to RP, or third condition, RP equal to PQ, but the third is not there. Any two are equal, so we called it as, these are three conditions for this one. Okay. Any two are equal but third not, so it is called isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Now we can write, suppose we are taking first condition, PQ QR, if this is equal and these are different one, like that. But if you have this one, so put here equal representation, this will not. If these two are equal, put mark it as equal representation, not equal to for this. So these are the all three possible conditions. Now third, it is isosceles right angle triangle, right angle triangle. Isosceles right angle triangle is what? A triangle whose any two sides, whose two sides are equal, two sides including 90 degrees angle, two sides of right angle triangle. Okay, right angled triangle, two sides are equal, we have to write here. Okay, two sides are equal with right angle, with right angle triangle. One angle should be 90 degrees. Right angle means what? Right angled triangle means right angle triangle means one angle of triangle is, that implies one angle of a triangle equal to 90 degrees. Any one angle is 90, the other two sides are isosceles equal, so we call it as isosceles right angle triangle. What? Isosceles right angle triangle. The figure, see here. So these two sides makes 90 degree, one angle is 90. If this side and this side is equal, angle making 90 sides are always equal, so this is called isosceles triangle. Suppose I am writing ABC, this way or that way, you can write this clockwise or anti-clockwise, clockwise or anti-clockwise. This is here angle B is what? 90 degrees, and two sides making this angle is what? AB equal to BC, and opposite to that is always greater than these two. CA is greater than AB and CA is always greater than BC, whether they are equal or not. But for any triangle, any right angle triangle, if these two are not equal or equal, but the side of opposite to 90 degrees always greater than these two. So this is first, this is second, and this is a condition. If this condition is there where B is there, so AB and BC is equal, so it is called isosceles right angle triangle, right angled triangle. Okay, this is right angle triangle. Now fourth, scalene. Scalene, scalene, scalene triangle means what? A triangle, a triangle in which in which no two sides are equal. That means what? All sides are different. No two sides are equal means all sides are different. So we are taking like this. Just seeing, you can say that the lines are different. So this is the largest one, this is second largest, this is the smallest one. 1, 2, 3, all are different. Suppose we are taking A, B, C. So if AB's length is less than, not equal, that is, okay, we can write like this, AC, and this is less than, by seeing I am writing this BC. Or we can say that AB is not equal to BC and this is not equal to CA. All are different. No two are same. No two are same. If two are same, isosceles. No two are same means scalene triangle. All are different angles, different sides. That's why it is called scalene triangle. Now classification of classification of triangles on the basis of their angles. Okay, now we are consider angles. Here we consider sides. In sides we got what? Equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, isosceles right angle triangle, and scalene triangle. 4. Here 3. First one is what? We are taking acute angle triangle. Acute angled triangle. Okay, we have to read as acute angle triangle means what? A triangle in which at least one angle is acute. Acute means less than 90. So suppose this is your triangle PQR. So maybe angle P is less than 90, or Q is less than 90, or OR Q is less than 90, or R is less than 90. So this is the conditions. You can write this R. This is slash for R. So any one is less than 90, so we call it as a acute angle triangle. Okay, what is this? Acute angle triangle is a triangle in which at least, this is not there, all, not at least. Make a correction, I forget that. This is for some other angles we have to use at least. Okay, here a triangle in which all angles of all angles are acute. So all are less than, these and these are less than 90. Example we will see here, 70, 30, 80. Make it how much? 70 plus 30 degrees plus 80 degrees. So 180. So it is 180. So like this angle ABC is called acute angle acute angles we have to write, angles triangle. Okay, this is acute angle triangle. Second one, right angled triangle. What is this? A triangle in which one angle equal to 90 degrees, one angle equal to 90 degrees, then this is called right angled triangle, right angled triangle. This can be like this. So, this is 90, A, B, C. So, this is 90 degrees, or you can write like this, this is 90 degrees, this is representation of 90, okay, P, Q, R, one here 90 degrees, okay. Any only one angle is 90, if you take two 90s means the third one will not meet, so not a triangle. Or B equal to 90, or here for this P equal to 90. So, like that we can say that any only one angle is 90 in a triangle. So, that is called right angle triangle. Now, obtuse angle triangle. The third one is obtuse angle triangle. What is this? In a triangle in which one angle is obtuse, means what? Obtuse, that means greater than 90 degrees, or and less than 180 degrees. One angle has its value greater than 90 and less than 80, then it is called a obtuse angle triangle. We are taking this example, okay, this example, this and these are very less angle, this is 110, suppose 110, if you take 50, 160, then it is 20, okay. So, like this we can say that obtuse angle triangle, any angle which is 91 also greater than this, it's 59. So, this one is 30. So, according to this one 91, this is 91, 91 is more than 91 degrees is greater than 90, here 110